This time I want to introduce another group of very long-time members of the Croatian Fraternal Union, long-time Tamburashi group, and they're under the direction of Brother Fred and Rose Hosnick. They are none other than the Veseljaci Adult TamFest. We welcome them to the stage right now. The Veseljaci, yes, thank you so much, are from Farrell, Pennsylvania, and they were started in 1985 under the direction of Brother Fred and Sister Rose Hosnick. That's husband and wife, not brother and sister. For the past 38 years, the group has entertained audiences throughout the United States and Canada, performing in a variety of venues from Croatian homes, community events, nursing homes, ethnic celebrations, and for a host of other organizations. Veseljaci is proud that they have performed at each and every CFU Adult TamFest and hope to continue that accomplishment for years to come. A few months ago, during Veseljaci's annual picnic, Fred and Rose were recognized by state and national officials for their efforts in promoting our Croatian culture. We want to congratulate Fred and Rose and thank them for all that they've done, and they're finally being recognized on a national and state level. Congratulations, Sister and Brother Hosnick, for your years and many years of very valued service to our Croatian community, not only in the Farrell area where you hail from, but also throughout the United States, Canada, and back to our homeland of Croatia. They're certainly a wonderful couple, and with the group owes a debt of gratitude, as do we all, to Fred and Rose for all that they've done throughout their years. You know, Rose had the nickname the Golden Voice, and it certainly is so very true. So we congratulate them. Sit back and enjoy the beautiful sounds of Veseljaci Adult TamFest.
Before I start my song, I would like to tell you a little secret about my song. It's about a marama, and I don't know if all of you know what a marama is, but it's a shawl. In Croatian, we call it a shawl. And the mother is asking, "Where did you leave your shawl?" And I tell her, "Well, Ma, I left it last night down a dark street with my boyfriend, but I'm going to get another one." Tom. Mama me je pitala, di je moja marama, ostala na starom sokaku, di me dika ljubio u mraku, ostala na starom sokaku, di me dika ljubio u mraku. Opa! Marama je ostala, di sam sinoć stajala, di me sinoć poljubio dika, kad se vraćao iz svojeg šljivika. Di me sinoć poljubio dika, kad se vraćao iz svojeg šljivika. mama je izdala, to je mama saznala, ljub me diko, ti ne slušaj mamo, volim tebe večnovu maramu. Ljub me diko, ti ne slušaj mamo, volim tebe večnovu maramu. Volim tebe večnovu maramu.
Šuste reći, radost tvoje je u tome, glasnike što tugo nose, što mi šalju šta me lome, što mi gaši svjetlo rano, što nam je od Boga dano, zar ti ljubav više nije, gdje je srce bilo prije, zaplakat ćeš, kad se sjetiš što je bilo, slomit će te, svake suze moje milo, zaplakat ćeš, kad se sjetiš što je bilo, slomit će te, svake suze moje milo. Što mi gaši svjetlo svijeta, osevljaš mi gole grane, što mi skidaš čuše zlato, ne voliš mi, to je zato. Kad se sjetiš što je bilo, slomit će te, svake suze moje milo. Zaplakat ćeš, kad se sjetiš što je bilo, slomit će te, svake suze moje milo, slomit će te, svake suze moje milo. Još mi vuče želje stara, da ti dođem jednog dana. Hoćeš li me prepoznati ispod lisena borana? Ovaj život svude nosi, ko da ne znaš što bi htio, a ja sanjam naše dane, nisam te zaboravio. Meni se sa tobom živi, nema takve da me smiri. Vjetalo mi jorgovane, više suze isplakane. Meni se sa tobom živi, nema takve da me smiri. Vjetalo mi jorgovane, više suze isplakane, a ti čuvaj jednu za me. Sve po starom običaju, zapalit ću jednu svijeću za sve one koji mena, a za našu ljubav neću. Ubiše me uspomene, kad mi dođu potajice, još u prazno ruke širim, da poljubim tvoje lice. Meni se sa tobom živi, nema takve da me smiri. Vjetalo mi jorgovane, više su